Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to go over composition settings within Adobe After Effects 2021. So first thing, what I do is just click right here, new composition. This is where you can name your composition. So we'll just do testing 1, 2, 3. And then there's a bunch of presets here that's already preloaded from Adobe. I usually just go to custom though, and 1920 by 1080, that's fine. Square pixels, I'm fine with that. Usually do everything 29:9:7, so that looks good. If you needed to change your frame rate, this little drop down is right there and available though. Resolution, keep that at full. And now this is a part that sort of threw me for a loop starting off with After Effects. It's the duration right here. So this basically lets you know how long your composition is going to be. So I do a lot of logo, like animation type bits within After Effects. So I usually don't need a super long duration time, but just to give me a little bit extra space, I usually go with 15 seconds here. But we can run it back to 30. That's fine. And that's about it. It looks pretty good to go. So we'll press OK. And now here's your composition right here waiting for you. And now say if you wanted to switch your duration time some or your frame rate to edit your composition settings, you just go up here. This is a little icon that indicates it's a composition, and right click composition settings, and then this is where we could change our duration or anything else pertaining to these settings. And I'll press OK. And now, there you go, 15 seconds. Well, thanks again, guys, for tuning into this video. I hope it helped in some way. Please let me know in the comments below and hit the bell and subscribe button if you don't mind. Until next time.